Hi, Zan. I'm Hewison. I'm coming to you from the digital studios of MarketClub, and the market we're looking at is this remarkable run-up that we have seen in the S&P 500 index. I think it's caught a lot of people by surprise, certainly a lot of traders, veteran traders, but we may, and I say may, be running out of steam here. And I want to show you a couple of things that we're looking at that could change the tenor of this market. I want to take this off the market for the time being, and I'm going to put our trade triangles in here. So there's the monthly. You know, we use the monthly for our buys, trending, big trendings. So that happened right here at 88870. And you also know that we use our weekly triangles for timing the market. And as you can see, our last signal on here was on March 16th at 780.12. Now that was to cover a position. So right here we covered a short position. Okay, so that was from this level right here. So it's a really nice profitable position. We did not, however, go long until we hit this monthly triangle indicating prices were going higher. So you could say we missed some of this move, but we actually caught this last part of the move. So again, no guesswork. What we're looking at is some rather interesting facts. I'm going to go down to this Williams percent R. You can see what we're seeing here. It's like a little divergence. We went up, went down, like that. It's also slightly lower here. So even though the prices have gone up, the market appears to be losing momentum. So I'm going to take this off the screen for the time being. I'm going to scope this in even further. So it's very easy to do. You just take either 1 month, click here, and you see how quickly that does that. It's definitely the way to do it. I'm going to move our trade triangles up here. And what we're looking at is a candlestick chart. Now in candlestick charts, when you have a blue body like this, it means the price is opened here and closed right there. So very positive. So open it here, close here, open it here, close here. Now when you get to these little tight ones like this, that means there's a pretty good balance between sellers and buyers. So you get that tight range, very narrow range. So we had the move down, so the market opened here for red and closed here. So that was the down move. So red arrows tend to be open higher, close lower, or open higher than the way it closes. You also see that occur like here. It's very similar to this situation. Very tight range of balance between buyers and sellers. Now what we're seeing today, and this is on Friday, we're doing this on the 5th of June, is a red, so far a red candle, meaning the market's been under pressure. We made new highs over the 950. This is, we're talking about the cash market, and we have come down. It does not appear to have a lot of enthusiasm to push this market higher. Now we are 2 hours from the close, and we may see a rally from here, I don't know, but certainly the market is acting a little bit tight. We showed you the divergences here, and if we close below here and this point, it's not going to look that healthy. However, on our, if you've caught this move and you want to lock in some nice profits, I'll take this off the screen. I'm going to put our daily triangles in, and they kicked in right here. Now we don't normally use daily triangles for timing, but for maybe stopping and protecting your capital, you'd want to move your stops up to this point right here, and I'll give you the exact point that is. So we take this off the screen and we go here, and the low there is 923.85. If the market goes below that level on Monday, I'm not sure it's going to happen today, but if on Monday, then that will certainly say the momentum for the moment in the short term is down. So another way you can do this and to figure out where your stops are is to use a new tool that we have, which I think is very, very cool. And you can put this actually on the chart. So it's a Donchian channel, and you can move this back to 3, close this up, and you can see on the Donchian channel it's saying that your low point here is 923.85. So you can always use these as stop out points. Very, very useful. I've used these on 3 days on the daily charts, 3 weeks on the weekly charts, and 3 months on the monthly charts. So you'd always know where your stops are. So that's what we're looking at. You can see that the monthly signals don't come that often. This one was back on July 1st at 1272, and we just had one here recently in the early part of May. So again, this is a huge move down, which you could have protected yourself, or you could have made money on. So again, Adam Hewison, we're looking at the market. It appears to be acting rather heavy. Let's see how it works out. Every success using MarketClub and our trade triangle technology.